This tutorial is 12.4 in Go Math homework. All right, the directions say to complete. If we look in question number 1, it says 6 gallons equals blank quarts. Now again, let's write this at the top to remember how to do this. If you're going from a big unit to a smaller unit, you what?
Times.
Yes, you multiply or times. If you're going to from a small unit to a bigger unit, you will what?
Divide.
Yes, you will divide. Okay, so that's a great thing to think of. Just if you think about a big unit is going to have a smaller number than the equal amount of a smaller unit, right? It's just going to have a lot more. So 6 gallons, we have to think how many quarts are in a gallon? 4 quarts equal a gallon. So we do 6 times 4 equals 24. All right, let's pick one problem from this first section. Which would you like to do?
Let's do
Yes.
12.
Yes, go ahead. Which one?
Let's go with just number 7.
Number 7, sure. Okay, so we have 3 gallons. So big unit to a smaller unit. So we're going to multiply. Big unit to a smaller unit, we're going to multiply. So let's write a times before that. Now how many cups in a gallon?
6.
16 cups equal a gallon. Okay, so first go up, then go over. 6 times 3 is 18. Regroup the 1. Then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 gallons is 48 cups. All right, this next section says compare using less than, greater than, or equal. All right, which one would you like to do from this section? Number 8. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and do pints to ounces. So that's bigger unit to smaller. So we're going to multiply. Yeah. Okay. So how many ounces are in 1 cup? 8 ounces equal 1 cup. So we're going to do 8 times 6 is 48. So we put 48. 48 is what to 60?
Smaller.
Yeah, it's less than. Okay? Very good. All right. Oh, but it is pints. Oh my goodness. We need to do this again. So, yeah, so we're going to have to do this. Do what? Because there's 8 ounces in 1 cup. But how many cups are in a pint? 2. So we're going to times this by 2 again. Okay, so this is going to be different, huh? 48 times 2. I'll do it to the side here. 48 times 2. First go
Up, then go over.
Yep, 8 times 2 is 16. Regroup the
1.
4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is that changes things too, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so 96 is what to 60? Greater. So this is the winner. Chicken dinner. All right, let's look at the next section. Which problem would you like?
Number 13.
13. Okay, let's do 13. Ready? And read. Kendra's water bottle contains 2 quarts of water. She wants to add drink mix to it, but the directions for the drink mix give the amount of water in fluid ounces. How many fluid ounces are in her bottle? Okay, I've circled my clues. Let's write them down. So we have 2 quarts. It equals blank fluid ounces. Okay. All right, so I'm going from a big unit to a smaller unit. So I'm going to multiply. Okay. How many ounces? Oh. How many ounces are in a quart? Well, we have to figure this out. How many ounces are in a cup? How many ounces in 1 cup?
8 ounces equal
1 cup. Okay. So we have our ounces. Now we have to figure out how many cups are in a quart. Okay, everyone think about your gallon bot or look at your first page. How many ounces are in, or how many cups are in 1 quart? How many? 4. Yeah. So we're going to do 4 times 8 is 32. Okay. So that gives us how many ounces are in a quart. Now we're going to have to do what? We have 2 quarts, right? So we have 32 ounces in 1 quart. So how many, what are we going to do? 32 times 2. So I'm just going to rewrite it here. 32 times 2. Anything I write, you should write too. All right, so first go. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. So in 2 quarts, there are how many fluid ounces? 64. Let's see if we've answered our question. How many fluid ounces are in her bottle? Yep, we have it right here. Let's draw a box around it so it's easy to find that answer. Okay, let's just talk through number 14. It says write a problem that can be solved by comparing quarts and cups using a model. Include a solution and then explain why you are changing from a larger unit to a smaller unit. Okay, ready, go.